Hey there, want to customize how you interact with your account? Adjusting Fidelity account settings lets you control everything from your login security to how your information is displayed. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to adjust them. Click on your name or profile icon in the top right corner of fidelity.com and select Profile or Account Settings. This central hub lets you update your contact info, communication preferences, security settings, like two-factor authentication, and account-specific features like trading permissions. My crucial pro tip: prioritize security settings first. Enable two-factor authentication and set up security questions. Then, review your electronic delivery preferences to ensure you're getting statements and confirmations how you want them. Set your foundation before customizing views. That's how you tailor the platform to work precisely for you. How customized is your main financial dashboard? Let me know in the comments. For more control-oriented guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.